Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I have another giveaway episode for you. For those of you who might be new to my channel, about once a month I do a special giveaway for my followers and people here on my channel. And what the prizes are, there's 3 prizes. They are premium memberships to a website called Instructables.com. I love Instructables.com. It's the premier DIY website. On Instructables.com, why it might be of value to you is I post all of my videos over there in what they call an Instructable. And it's a step-by-step guide with pictures and words and the recipes and everything. So for those of you who find it easier to read tutorials as opposed to watching videos, everything's broken down step by step over there on Instructables. And so I thought it would be fun to give away premium memberships to that site. The site is free for a basic membership, but with a premium membership, you can do a few more things with it. So the way that the giveaway works, all you had to do to enter on my last giveaway episode, you just had to write a comment, any comment, and then you were automatically entered into the contest. All right, so what I'm going to do now is go over to my computer and pick the winners. All right, here we go. We got the random comment picker site going, have the URL in there. 13 unique commenters. Great. Let me go ahead and start. The first winner will win a 1-year premium membership to Instructables.com. Go ahead and start. And the winner is Farah. Congratulations. All right, we'll pick another winner. This will be for a 3-month premium membership. And that winner is Lita. All right, the next winner, this will be for another 3-month premium membership. And that winner is PJ. Awesome. Congratulations to the winners. To claim your prize, go over to Instructables.com and create your free basic membership, and then send me an email over there and I will reply back with your premium membership code. To be entered into next month's contest or giveaway, all you need to do is write a comment down below in this video, any comment that you want. It's the holidays right now, so let's say what is your tell me what your favorite holiday treat is. All right, I am Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care.